Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you a very simple recipe that you and your family are going to love. This waakye recipe is absolutely delicious and it's a staple in Ghanaian cuisine and perfectly for any meal. If you're new here, you are warmly welcome. So waakye is basically rice and beans, okay? So with me here is my 2 cups of black eye beans, which I've soaked for about 2 hours. I'm just going to go ahead to wash it thoroughly, then transfer it into my saucepan. So with the beans, you can choose to go ahead, wash it and cook it right away, but that will take you 40 to 50 minutes to cook. But soaking your beans will help you to reduce the time of cooking the beans. So I prefer to soak my beans before I cook it because it doesn't really take much time to cook. Okay, so you can try that. Also, for the other ingredients, you need your waakye leaves, which is the sorghum leaves. To wash it, you have to open it up and wash it thoroughly because sometimes you have some dirt in this. You can even see through my water, there are a little particles in it, so you have to wash it thoroughly. Once that is done, I'm going to add it to my beans. That will give me that rich color I'm going for, okay? Once that is done, I will go ahead and transfer it to my stove top. We'll cover it and allow it to boil. So about 15 minutes later, I'm just going to add in about half teaspoon of baking soda to it. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for additional 15 minutes, okay? Fifteen minutes later, our beans is 80% cooked. I'm just going to remove the leaves from it. Now the leaves, you can choose not to remove it, but I prefer to remove it because when the waakye is cooked, it's really difficult for you to remove it. So at this point, I prefer to remove mine because you already have the color. Next, we'll go ahead to wash 1 to half cup of rice. I'm using Jasmine rice, but you can use basmati rice as well, or any rice you have available. Once that is done, I'm just going to pour it to the beans. Then add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. Some people use coconut oil, or you can use vegetable oil, any oil you have available. To that, we'll add some salt to taste. Mix everything together, then cover it and allow it to cook. So at this point, if your water is enough, you don't need to add any water to it, but you can add more water if you need it, okay? Just be careful not to make it too soggy. I'm going to cover the pot and reduce the heat to low. I'll cook it for about 20 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked and fluffy. And just like that, our waakye is ready. You can just go ahead to serve it with your fried plantain, shito, boiled eggs, and your favorite protein. This is a dish that has all the goodness. It's nutritious and absolutely delicious. Yes, the flavors are super amazing. You have to try it at home. It is perfect for lunch or dinner. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you never miss out on any of my new videos. Let me know in the comments what you will pair your waakye with. Until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.